Namaste and welcome to Learning Nepali. It's me, Ruth Mary Shrestha. In our previous videos, we have already learned how to use tenses in different situations. Today, we will go a little deeper. We will learn how Nepali tenses uses time, emotion, and context. Sometimes the same verb changes its feeling or meaning depending on the context. So now let's see how to use tenses to talk naturally about time in Nepali. Let's go to part 1. What is time in language? Every language uses time words like yesterday, today, tomorrow, now, before, and after. In Nepali, verbs change its form according to time. For example, I do, which is in present tense, म गर्छु, म गर्छु. Similarly, in past tense, I did, in Nepali, we say मैले गरेँ, मैले गरेँ. Whereas in future tense, I will do, in Nepali we say म गर्नेछु, म गर्नेछु. So these small changes in the verb shows when the action happens. Next part is talking about the present tense. We use present tense to talk about our daily life or habits. Words like सधैँ, प्रतिदिन, and अक्सर, which means every day, always, and often, goes with present tense. For example, I study Nepali every day. In Nepali, म प्रतिदिन नेपाली पढ्छु, or म हरेक दिन नेपाली पढ्छु. म प्रतिदिन नेपाली पढ्छु, or म हरेक दिन नेपाली पढ्छु. Similarly, the next example is he always drinks milk in the morning. In Nepali, उहाँ सधैँ बिहान दुध पिउनुहुन्छ. उहाँ सधैँ बिहान दुध पिउनुहुन्छ. This shows an action that happens again and again. Present tense is used to talk about ongoing activities. When something is happening right now, we use present continuous tenses. Here, the common time words it uses are अहिले, यो बेला, and etc. So now let's look at the sentence examples. I am studying right now. In Nepali, म अहिले पढ्दैछु. म अहिले पढ्दैछु. Next is he or she is speaking. In Nepali, उहाँ बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ. उहाँ बोल्दै हुनुहुन्छ. It's also used for recently finished action or experiences. For the action that started before and continue now, or for experiences, we use present perfect tense. Here the common time words are अहिलेसम्म, देखि, पहिला, देखि, etc. Now let's look at some example sentences. I have been learning Nepali for 2 years. In Nepali, म 2 वर्षदेखि नेपाली सिक्दै आएको छु. म 2 वर्षदेखि नेपाली सिक्दै आएको छु. Next is he or she has already watched that movie. In Nepali, उहाँले त्यो चलचित्र पहिल्यै हेरिसक्नु भएको छ। उहाँले त्यो चलचित्र पहिल्यै हेरिसक्नु भएको छ। Now talking about the past, use simple past tense for the actions that are finished. Here the common time words are hijo, पहिला, बिहान, and etc. Let's look at some sentence example. I ate momo yesterday. In Nepali, मैले हिजो मोमो खाए. मैले हिजो मोमो खाए. Next is he used to live in Kathmandu. In Nepali, ऊ पहिले काठमाडौँमा बस्थ्यो. ऊ पहिले काठमाडौँमा बस्थ्यो. When you talk about something before another past, use past perfect. So now let's look at the example. I had studied before the exam started. In Nepali, मैले परीक्षा सुरु हुनु अगाडि पढिसकेको थिएँ. मैले परीक्षा सुरु हुनु अगाडि पढिसकेको थिएँ. Next is I reached home before he came. In Nepali, उहाँ आउन अगाडि म घर पुगिसकेको थिएँ. उहाँ आउन अगाडि म घर पुगिसकेको थिएँ. Words like अगाडि, पहिला or भएपछि shows past sequence. Now, talking about the future, use simple future tense to talk about plans, hopes, or what will happen. Here, some common time words are भोलि, पछि, आगामी, etc. Let's look at the sentence examples. I will go to the market tomorrow. In Nepali, म भोलि बजार जानेछु. म भोलि बजार जानेछु. Next is he or she will come to Nepal. उहाँ नेपाल आउनु हुनेछ. उहाँ नेपाल आउनु हुनेछ. Now future tense for future ongoing actions. Use continuous future tense to talk about the action happening at a certain future time. Here the common time words are भोलि, यो समय, आउने हप्ता, पछि, etc. Let's look at sentence examples. I will be teaching in the class at this time tomorrow. In Nepali, भोलि यस समयमा म कक्षा लिइरहेको हुनेछु. भोलि यस समयमा म कक्षा लिइरहेको हुनेछु. They will be traveling next week. उनीहरू अर्को हप्ता यात्रा गरिरहेका हुनेछन्. उनीहरू अर्को हप्ता यात्रा गरिरहेका हुनेछन्. Now let us do some activities. I will say some sentences with the blanks in it and you need to fill up the correct time word in it. Here the time words are हिजो, अहिले, भोलि. Here are the sentences. म blank भात खाँदैछु. म blank भात खाँदैछु. मैले blank भात खाएँ. मैले blank भात खाएँ. Next is म blank भात खानेछु. म blank भात खानेछु. Here choose the correct time word to complete the sentences correctly. So friends, we learned how time words and tenses work together in Nepali. So remember, past tense talks about finished action, present tense talks about ongoing or regular action, and future tense talks about plans or upcoming actions. If you want to improve your Nepali, please do learn tenses from basic so that you'll improve your Nepali more faster and you will be more accurate in Nepali. Thank you for staying with me till the end and learning this whole lesson with me. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you find this helpful, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our Learning Nepali YouTube channel for more Nepali intense classes. So until next time, धन्यवाद.